Did you know that beneath your feet, there's a bustling underground world that's just as important as the plants you see above it? Earthworms, microbes, fungi, and insects, together they form what scientists call soil biodiversity. And at the heart of it all, the humble earthworm. Farmers call them nature's plow, and scientists call them ecosystem engineers. But to the soil? They're heroes. Let's zoom in on the life of an earthworm. As it wriggles through the ground, it creates tiny tunnels that allow air and water to reach plant roots. It feeds on organic material, breaking down dead leaves and crop residues. And what it leaves behind, its castings, are rich in nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. These natural fertilizers are more balanced than anything found in a chemical bag. In one field, the soil is full of worms. It's dark, crumbly, and full of life. In the other, the soil has been treated with harsh chemicals and overtilled. It's compacted, dry, and lifeless. The difference? Earthworms can't survive in toxic, degraded soil. And when they disappear, soil structure collapses. Earthworms don't work alone. They're part of a complex food web. Their tunnels create pathways for beneficial bacteria and fungi. These microbes form symbiotic relationships with plant roots, helping them absorb nutrients. Nematodes and other tiny creatures feed on harmful pathogens, maintaining balance. Together, this underground network forms what we call the soil microbiome, a natural defense system for plants. Many farmers now do the worm test. They dig a small square of soil, count the worms, and check the smell and structure. If there are 10 or more worms per square foot, it's a sign of living, fertile soil. If there are none, it's time to rethink the farming approach. Sadly, overuse of synthetic fertilizers and pesticides destroys this living system. These chemicals don't just kill pests, they wipe out helpful microbes and drive earthworms away. Tilling breaks up their tunnels. And monoculture farming leaves the soil hungry year after year. Without biodiversity, soil becomes dirt, just a medium to hold roots, not to feed life. But the solution is right beneath our boots. Adding compost revives microbial activity. Using mulch protects soil moisture and gives worms something to eat. Crop rotation and cover cropping add diversity and prevent disease. And reducing tillage preserves the structure that worms build so carefully. Did you know? Earthworms lay tiny cocoons in the soil. In just a few weeks, baby worms hatch and start burrowing. One healthy worm population can double in just 2 to 3 months if the soil conditions are right. By creating the right environment, moist, shaded, rich in organic matter, you invite nature's engineers to thrive. You don't need a big farm to support soil life. Even a backyard compost bin can become a haven for red wigglers. They'll break down kitchen scraps into black gold, nutrient-rich compost for your garden beds. And every scoop you add to your soil feeds the network below. Across the globe, nearly 1/3 of our soil is degraded. But where people are reviving soil biodiversity, land is recovering faster than expected. From African agroforests to Canadian no-till farms, farmers are learning that life underground is the key to life above. The next time you see an earthworm wriggling in your garden, don't squish it. Thank it. It's working day and night to keep your soil alive, your food nutritious, and your planet healthy. And if we all learn to farm with nature, not against it, our soil, our crops, and our children will thrive. Calendar subscribe for more eco-educational content from the Soil Story. Seedling, let's dig deep and bring life back to the land, one worm at a time.